waking up is getting hard now. I knock the jack back, I pick up what I put down. Bad habits coming round like they're ancient. It's no surprise that I'm gonna need a rain check. Not going out like I don't make any more plans. Sitting in my room staring at the ceiling fan. Wait, who's your mans? Yes, I forgot to ask that. You haunt my dreams, I could see you in my flashbacks. I fill my brain with whatever I could find. I'm self-defeating, always wasting all my time. Got a 9 to my head, but I swear I'm fine. I'm unattached from the little that I call mine. I'm unattentive to these bitches like I go to class. Reach for the holster, load it up and then I cock back. Up to my dome, running frantic like my last lap. Fill the spaces with distractions, cause you know I'm about to snap. Like the lead on my pencil when I try it right. I smoke a blunt and I'm sleeping for the whole night. I didn't answer cause I'm busy talking to the knife. Throwing shade like we forgot about the sunlight. Sometimes it's hard to fight back. Wake up around noon, stuck in bed while I smoke the sack. Black fingernails creeping down to your body. Always fucking up like it's way more than a hobby. Feeding for some love, so I'll take what I can get. Nothing's ever enough, death would be the safest bet. Got ashes on my clothes cause everything about me is gross. You said I always did the least, but bitch, I always do the most. People fade away like ghosts, I guess it's for the better. Loving at what cost, feel closer with the reaper. When I see her, it's like all time stops. Cause I'm asleep while the fucking rain drops. Smoking packs while I'm alone. I write these songs and hate myself. This alcohol straight to my dome, and I don't pace myself. Fuck a chaser, all I chase are these illusions. Happiness a fallacy, I've come to the conclusion. These days waking up is getting hard now. I knock the jack back, I pick up what I put down. Bad habits coming round like they're ancient. There's no surprise that I'm gonna need a rain check. I fill my brain with whatever I could find. I'm self-defeating, always wasting all my time. Got a 9 to my head, but I swear I'm fine. I'm unattached from the little that I call mine.